name is Nayana. So welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am super excited today because I am introducing to you a whole new video series that I will be having up on my channel called as CupTheFlow, starting on Women's Day. I talk to you anything and everything about a menstrual cup. I've been wanting to do this video for almost 10 months or more. This has been a topic that I've been invested in for a while now. There's just too much information that I wanted to share with all of you, and I did not want to restrict it to one single video, which would probably be very long, and I know none of you are gonna watch more than a couple of minutes of it, so I decided to just cut it into different videos so each of you can watch it and learn more about this menstrual cup. And in case you're somebody who is willing to switch, I would be able to convince you to do the same. I just want more of you to be at least aware of this option and hopefully eventually make the switch. That is my ultimate goal. And if I can make at least one of you make the switch, I would be super happy. So starting from this Friday, which is Women's Day, I will be having a new video every 2 days until the 18th of March. So I had switched from the sanitary pads to the menstrual cup almost 10 months ago, and though the transition was not easy, it was definitely one of the biggest life-changing experiences that I've ever had. And that's exactly why I decided to do the series, so as to try to bring that amazing change into the lives of other women too. Strangely, 3 out of 10 women that I talked to did not even know about the existence of the menstrual cup. 6 out of 10 actually knew about it but were super reluctant to try it out, and only one of them were actually quite eager to make that change. And these are all friends, family and colleagues that I talked to who had never used the menstrual cup before. So when I asked my mom why she never mentioned anything about this cup to me before, she told me she herself knew about it very vaguely, and she did not even have much details on it to have considered this seriously. So yes, the menstrual cup is very rarely used in India, and there may be plenty of reasons behind it, but the main one being the lack of awareness about it. So I've never done anything like this before, as in pushing so many videos out together. If I am truthful, I'm excited, but I'm also super tensed about how all of you will respond to those videos. But I'm hoping to do my best in providing you with excellent content on this topic. Also, we'll be having a giveaway happening where I have collaborated with Boond, which is an organization who works to promote and create awareness about menstruation in India. So we'll be providing 3 of you lucky winners with high quality Boond menstrual cup of your own. So any of you who would love to give the menstrual cup a try should definitely take part in this giveaway. So the giveaway will be separately happening in YouTube and Instagram, where there'll be 2 winners from YouTube and 1 winner from Instagram, and there are different set of rules for both of it. So to enter the YouTube giveaway, all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, go subscribe to the channel of Boond, follow both of us in Instagram. I'll leave the links in the description box below, and also like and comment on all the videos in this series. So that's all, and if you do all of this, you'll be able to take part in this giveaway and stand a chance to win 1 Boond menstrual cup for yourself. So to enter the Instagram giveaway, all you need to go is go to my Instagram profile, check out the highlights with the title Women's Day giveaway, where I would have given all the rules for it. So make sure that you follow all of those rules so that you will be able to stand a chance to win in this giveaway. So make sure that you stay tuned for the very first video in the series, which would be coming out day after tomorrow on Women's Day, where I will be talking to you about what a menstrual cup actually is, and also sharing with you information on what you may need to keep in mind before you start with a menstrual cup. I'll see you again on Women's Day with the next video in the series. So till then, bye bye.